boyfriend and girlfriend?
No. I mean, we hung out. We was pretty much pursuing something to the end.
All right. You were taking your time. And
That's a good looking pizza right there.
Came back around and we talked.
Well, here we are. I'm going to show you my latest trash pick find. This little toaster oven. It's a Black & Decker. I found it because I had a part-time job as a census taker this summer. And in one of my areas, I happened to find this sitting next to the dumpster, so I snagged it. Works perfectly. It's good for baking small things like these little pizzas. Yeah, doesn't that look good? Trash pick Black & Decker toaster oven. Enjoy.